Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So is your math brain ready for this challenge that many people fail to solve? Because they solve it like this: 2 plus 1 as 3, 7 times 3 as 21 and 21 divided by 21 as 1, which is a wrong answer and wrong approach. Yes, you heard it right. When there is multiple operation like division, bracket, and in bracket there is an addition, then we have to follow BODMAS or PEMDAS rule. As per this rule, first we have to solve the bracket, then of, then division, then multiplication, addition and subtraction. But what people forget that in case of division and multiplication and addition and subtraction, always solve from left to right. So let's follow these steps. So first solve the bracket. So it gives 3. So 21 divided by 7 times 3. Now division and multiplication both have same priority, but we have to solve it from left to right. So first is 21 divided by 7 times 3. 21 divided by 7 is 3 and 3 times 3 is 9. So what is the correct answer? 9, not 1. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. So don't forget to share your feedback through like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.